Hi everyone and welcome back to Cotto Verde. Have you ever wondered how it is that when you go to these wonderful garden shows like RHS Chelsea or visit a wonderful stately home with a beautiful garden, all their silver birches have got beautiful pristine white bark? Well, I'll tell you the secret. They simply wash them. It's so easy to do. You just take a soft sponge or a rag and a little bit of washing up liquid, a tiny bit, in a bucket of water, and you give them a rub. Let me show you. So I'm just going to start with an eco rag, and you literally just wet it. Obviously I've got my marigolds on because it's cold, and then you just give it a gentle rub. I hope you can see how easy this is. And all you're taking off is just the algae and the dirt that accumulates over time. You're not harming the tree at all. I mean, silver birches, you can just peel the bark to reveal what's underneath. But obviously where you can't peel the bark, it's nice to make it shiny and clean. It's a bit like washing a car. It's not the most glamorous job in the world, but it makes such a difference to how your trees shine in the winter and how they look from a distance especially. I mean, where it's loose you can just peel the bark off. But you'll find with your silver birch that it's not loose everywhere. Our trees have actually been damaged here and round the other side by rabbits. There are some wild rabbits, and probably the deer as well, probably rubbed their horns on them. All of our silver birch were damaged when they were young, and then we had to we've got protective netting which I've taken off, so you have to protect them from the wild animals, I guess. So I haven't quite finished. I can't reach the top. I'm going to have to get a ladder or get Richard to get up there because I don't like heights. But also I've injured my shoulder, so long story. It looks so much better. It's not that it looked awful before. I just think that if you clean all the algae off and the green stuff and the brown stuff, you get the white sparkle, which is presumably the reason why you chose a silver birch in the first place. Anyway, have fun washing your trees. Honestly, it's worth it. I promise you it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this at least amusing, if not interesting and helpful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. I am really waffling. It makes such a difference to how your trees shine. It'll mean that your silver birch bark will shine. Sorry, I've realised I've still got my gloves on.